Welcome everybody to the demo of the South African startup space. This is a web application and product that helps anyone in the South African startup space to connect with mentors, join community, and access resources to help their startup grow or to just expand in their role as an innovator. So here we have the homepage. As you can see, we'll have some quick stats. Right now, these are just placeholder statistics to show how the app is being engaged with and how many users we have currently. And then on the home page we have a number of resources with this navigation bar to guide you through it. So we start off with award finalists. This top section of this page is supposed to be dedicated to any news or recent information surrounding anything that's happened in the entrepreneur space in South Africa. Then we can go to communities, and in communities these are just different spaces, communities, organizations that you can join that either provide support, funding, or any other kind of community around existing in the innovation space. The point of the South African startup space is that it is an aggregate platform, and so it's not just going to be specific to certain users or certain resources. We try to encourage people to use as many different platforms as they might find useful and relevant to them. Then we go on to startup programs. This section is still being built out. We're going to add in more programs, but these are a bunch of different incubators, programs, and schools that potential and existing founders can join to help to spur their startup journey forward. The last part of the page is just a very long repository of different startups in the South African space. These were manually scraped through different platforms and aggregators because it's still pretty hard to find this information. And so what still needs to happen for this section is that the links still need to be added so that they would be clickable. But then let's go back to the top and look at the main, value add, which is the mentor platform. You're going to be taken into the login experience because this is something for people who are already members of the platform. And so if you have not logged in, so I'm going to just, create an email address, and it's going to tell me that my email is not registered and that I should register it and take me to the sign up. So here you simply sign up. We just get the basic information that most people are giving web platforms right now. Under location, right now this is just something that you fill in for yourself, but I'm still considering whether or not I want this to be a drop down with pre-filled information. Then the about me, you basically talk about what you're looking for and where you are in your journey. And then the last part, you're going to select the industries that you're in. This is going to help with matching you to potential community members. And so after you sign up, you're going to be taken to the login. And in the logged in experience, this is when you will be able to see the mentor page. And so here you have a mentor page that basically gives you a small synopsis. You can connect with experienced mentors that guide you through your startup journey. Here you're going to see a list of all of the mentors available. Right now we have 8 signed up onto the platform, and you can filter to find specific mentors. And so if you search by name, you can find a mentor. You can also search by their expertise here in the drop down menu and find anyone who matches a particular expertise. So after that, you can also become a mentor onto the platform by going into your profile. Everyone has a default user profile that can be edited. You can change your location, you can change your about me, as well as add or take away industries from your user profile, as I am demonstrating here. And then everyone is also going to have this radio to select mentor profile, even if you have not created a mentor profile yet. And the point of this is that we want to encourage people to become mentors on the platform, because the more mentors that we have, the higher the value add is for everybody else. And so you can just sign up onto the mentor platform. We've added another name input here because sometimes you might want to be called something different by the people who might be connecting with you. And here you can select a number of different expertise, and these are actually grouped in the back end according to higher level groupings of expertise that you can select. And then you can put in your contact information, anything from your email address to your phone number, whatever you feel comfortable sharing on the platform. After that, you would sign up to be a mentor, and the mentor profile does take some time to load because of the backend, but the backend is going to be migrated from Render to somewhere else, so it should be fine. But if you go onto the mentor page now, you should be able to see yourself here listed as a mentor. Here's Stacy. She's got IPO crowdfunding plus one more, just to keep the mentor cards themselves quite clean. And so as you can see, the mentor cards have your name. They'll have a picture of you. Once that's implemented, you can see the location that you're in, as well as your different expertise. If you click into somebody's profile to view it, you can see more information about them. So you can read their about, see their expertise, their industries, as well as their contact information if you want to contact them. Then the last thing that needs to be implemented is just connecting you to that mentor by going to their LinkedIn page. Then the final value add that I'm going to focus on in this next season is actually implementing the front end of the recommendation system. The recommendation system has already been ideated, but the idea is that you would have a section here on your mentor page that will show you your recommended mentors to connect to. And that is the exploration of the entire app, and then you can log out and you get taken back to the logged out experience.